As the year 2024 approaches its end, it looks as though those AI and robotics developers are looking to close out the year with a big bang. From robots built to take care of the elderly to robots that will change the workplace as we know it, here are 10 of the newest humanoid robots of 2024. Figure 2. First off, we take a look at the advanced humanoid robots that were developed by the guys at Figure AI. This state-of-the-art humanoid robot represents the second generation of the robots developed by Figure AI. Perhaps superseding its predecessor, Figure 2, people will find that Figure 03 is designed to carry out a wide variety of tasks that could see it being used in all walks of life. Just take a look at its sleek modern design. Coming in at about 5'6" and at about 154 pounds, its human-like proportions makes it one of the most impressive things that may have come out of the world of robotics. Its hands, for example, can boast of 16 degrees of freedom that makes it carry out its tasks with relative ease. Then there's how it incorporates NVIDIA's Omniverse and GPU tech that gives it a decent level of AI capabilities. This and other features can make it perfect for working in the factories as well as the homes of elderly people, making it possible that it could become one of the most important robots in the future. Mentee Bot. Built to help with household chores as well as department stores among other places, it is clear that the Mentee Bot is perfect for a diverse list of environments. Powerful as it can lift things that weigh up to 25 kilograms, as well as a battery life of up to 5 hours. There is no doubt that his robot will make things a lot easier for people going forward. We cannot wait to have it take over the more menial tasks in a much safer manner. GR2. Next up, we take a look at the advanced humanoid robot that was developed by Fourier Intelligence, the Asian robotics company that is dedicated to enhancing the interactions between humans and these robots. With that in mind, GR2 seems to be a step forward from its predecessor, the GR1 robot that was designed to assist the elderly among other things. With that in mind, there are tons of fascinating new features found in the GR2. For example, it seems to have an advanced AI system in an AI-driven brain that makes use of neural networks to imitate the cognitive processes displayed by humans. As such, users will find that this robot is not limited to pre-programmed tasks. Instead, it has the ability to display some adaptability when it comes to processing the information it gets from its environment. Aside from this, it comes with an impressive level of emotional intelligence that gives it the ability to detect and respond to the emotions displayed by humans around it. Astounding! Finally, the GR2 makes use of a camera-based pure vision system with 6 RGB cameras that gives it the 360-degree view that would aid with reception and navigation, especially in complex environments. Add the increased level of mobility and dexterity compared to its predecessor, and it seems as though the elderly people of the future are in safe hands. Apollo. Next up, we head over to EPTronics. Although these guys have already made a handful of robots, EPTronics seem to have outdone themselves thanks to this robot that is already being used by NASA. With that in mind, it looks like it will be in our warehouses, our manufacturing facilities, construction sites, oil and gas fields, among other places in the near future. Exciting times for the world of robotics. Neo. No, we're not saying Keanu Reeves is a robot, but even the one can see how this robot is set to change the future of humanoid robotics for years to come. Thanks to 1X Technologies and their mission to create humanoid robots that are intelligent enough for domestic use among other things, we have Neo, a robot that is designed to function with ease in many home environments all over the world. Looking at its many features, one can see how it's fit for purpose. Just take a look at its human-like dexterity. It is almost too fluid to believe. Its 5-fingered hands alone can demonstrate a high level of precision that is truly uncommon to many of the robots in the market. Then there is the installation of actuators that allow it to replicate the muscles found in humans. This allows for the smooth and fluid movements that you can see in the video. Add the fact that it has a decent level of intelligence thanks to the embodied learning that was installed into it. This allows Neo to be a representation of the combination of robotics and AI in one futuristic body. With all these features, we may not be surprised when we see Neo in the homes of our families in the near future. Atlas. Next up, let's take a look at the advanced humanoid robot released by Austin Dynamics. This represents an upgrade of some sorts, as it seems to make improvements to their previous hydraulic model. Now a fully electric design, the guys at Austin Dynamics believe that this model is more suitable for real-world applications. One of the reasons users will agree about this is the fact that this robot is entirely electric. This makes for a more compact and more quiet robot that can move at the full 360 degrees. This also allows for a more mobile and more powerful robot that would make it useful for all walks of life, especially the assembly line. S1. Stardust Intelligence, the Chinese robotics company, really gave us quite the number when it came up with the Astrobot S1. Designed to perform tasks at speeds that rival humans, this is another humanoid robot that could set the standard for the rest in the years to come. Apparently, it can move at speeds of up to 10 miles per second. Pretty rapid, and add the fact that it can handle a payload of about 10 kilograms per arm, and one will find that it can even pull off some tasks that are almost impossible to humans. Aside from its physical capabilities, its advanced AI integration allows it to have a large language model. This gives it the ability to understand its environment with relative ease, thereby giving it the ability to complete tasks efficiently by mimicking human actions. This may make it one of the best robots for the household in the years to come, as it will be ready for sale before the year rubs out. 4. NE1. Developed by Robotics, this humanoid robot was built to help humans with tasks in both domestic and professional environments. 180 centimeters tall and 80 kilograms heavy. This robot is designed to have a form that is much similar to that of humans. Aside from this, people will be impressed with this robot's advanced cognitive activities that allows it to recognize objects in the environment. It can even recognize gestures. Additionally, it's strong enough to carry loads no heavier than 15 kilograms, and it can move at speeds of up to 3 kilometers per hour. Add the fact that it is intelligent enough to recognize human voices and emotions. It is deemed to be one of the safest robots to find in the home and workplace of its users in the years to come. Teslabot. What is a list on AI and robotics without input from Elon Musk's Tesla? This time, we're taking a look at Teslabot 2, another advanced humanoid robot that could be in the market in the near future. Also known as Optimus, this supposed Gen 2 model is said to be an improvement of every model from its physical specs to its cognitive capabilities. It is already believed to be about 10 kilograms lighter and 30% faster than the previous version. With other features that display its agility and mobility, Optimus seems to be perfect for tasks that allow for control, precision, and delicacy. This allows it to be perfect for environments where safety is paramount. With other modifications in mind in the future, we may have these robots walking around by the end of the year, so much so that Musk believes it may even surpass its automotive business. A good sign for what seems to be a great robot. Isaac. Although this isn't a humanoid robot per se, this advanced personal robot that was developed by Weave Robotics is worth mentioning. This is because it is believed that it will take over a variety of tasks at home in the near future. By 2025, people will be able to use this robot's ability to multitask in our homes. Not only can it do household chores, it can help people with personal projects as well. Add its intuitive nature, and people of 2025 are set for a more relaxed time at home with this robot.